Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about the 3-dimension part 2. 3-dimension part 2. In this we will learn what is face, what is edge and what is vertex. What is face, what is edge and what is vertex. If you are good in this one, then most of the problem will be very easy for you to solve. Okay. Now face. A flat or a plane surface on 3 dimension. A flat or plane surface. A flat or plane surface. A flat or plane surface. See, this is flat. Okay. A flat or plane surface on 3 dimension solid. See, this is flat surface. 1, 2, 3. If you take this side and this side, this side. If you take the example of this duster, see, this is flat surface. Even this is also flat surface. This is also flat surface. So, 1 flat surface, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the faces of the, if I have taken cube, it will be the faces of the cube. This is the example for cube. Now, what is face? A flat or a plane surface. A flat or a plane surface on 3 dimension solid. On 3 dimension solid is called as face. This is face. Okay. Now next, edge. The line segment that connect two faces on a 3 dimension shape. A line segment which will connect to two faces. A line segment which will connect to two faces. See, this line segment is connecting to these two faces. Okay. And this line segment is connecting to these two faces. Is it not like that? A line segment which is connecting to two faces of 3 dimension shape. See, this line segment is connecting to these two faces and this line segment is connecting to these faces and this line segment is connecting to these two faces. Is it not? So, what is edge? The line segment that connect two faces on 3 dimension shape. Okay. Now, we will go for the vertex. If it is 1, it is called as vertex. If it is more than 1, it is called as vertices. It is called as vertices. Now, a point at which lines or plane meet. A point at which lines or plane meet. See, here it is a point. This point will join two lines. One line and two lines. Okay. One more is also there. So, according to definition, a point at which line or planes meet, see in the diagram, this point is connecting one line segment, two line segment and three line segment. Okay. Meeting point of the line segments. Okay. Meeting point of the line segment. See, 1, 2, 3 are connecting to that point. The point is called as vertex. The connecting point is called as vertex. Okay. Now, in this 3 dimension figure, I have taken the example of a cuboid. In this is the edge, okay, and it consists of 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many edges are there in the cuboid? 12 edges. And number of faces? 6 faces. 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4 face, 5 face, 6 face, and vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices. If you take the example for the duster, now edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Faces 1 face. Okay, 2 face, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces and vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. In the next video, we will see about the different type of shapes, vertices, edges and shapes, and even we will see the formulas to find out the volume. Okay, total surface area and lateral surface area or curved surface area. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.